Alright, so you're looking to upgrade your financial game, huh? Maybe you're tired of those pesky overdraft fees, or perhaps you want to start building credit without the stress. Well, let's talk about Koho. You've probably heard the name tossed around, but what exactly is it, and how do you get your hands on one of their credit cards? Stick around, because we're about to break it down. First things first, Koho isn't your average bank. They're more like a financial superhero, here to save you from the clutches of traditional banking woes. They offer a range of financial products, but today, we're focusing on their credit card. So, what makes Koho's credit card different? Well, it's designed with your financial well-being in mind. No annual fees, cashback rewards, and a focus on helping you build credit. It's like they've read your financial diary. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff, how to actually get a Koho credit card. The good news is, it's relatively straightforward. The first step is to download the Koho app. It's available on both iOS and Android, so no excuses there. Once you've downloaded it, you'll need to create an account. This involves providing some basic personal information, like your name, address, and date of birth. It's pretty standard stuff. After you've set up your account, you'll be able to explore Koho's different offerings. This is where you'll decide which credit card is right for you. Koho offers a few different options, each with its own set of perks and features. So, take your time and choose the one that best suits your financial goals. Once you've picked your card, it's time to apply. The application process is mostly done through the app, so you can do it on the go. You'll need to provide some additional information, like your income and employment status. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Now, let's talk about something important, credit scores. While Koho is known for being credit-friendly, having a good credit score can definitely increase your chances of approval. If your credit score isn't where you want it to be, there are steps you can take to improve it. We'll dive deeper into that in another video, but for now, just know that a better credit score can work in your favor. Once you've submitted your application, you'll have to wait for Koho to review it. This usually takes a few business days. While you're waiting, you can start getting excited about all the ways you're going to use your new Koho credit card. If your application is approved, congrats! You're officially a Koho card holder. You should receive your physical card in the mail within a few weeks. But don't wait for the physical card to start using it. You can add your virtual card to your digital wallet right away and start enjoying the benefits. So, you've got your Koho credit card. Now what? Well, the fun part begins. Start using it for your everyday purchases and watch your cashback rewards grow. Keep an eye on your spending and make sure to pay your bill on time to build your credit. One thing to remember is that building credit takes time. Don't expect miracles overnight. Be patient and consistent, and you'll see results. Koho also offers a range of tools and resources to help you manage your money. Take advantage of these features to track your spending, set budgets, and reach your financial goals. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground. Getting a Koho credit card is definitely achievable, and it could be a game changer for your financial life. Remember, do your research, choose the right card for you, and use it responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.